Hello, my name is Jasmine Martinez, and I'm going to tell you all about bacterial cell walls. Let us begin. The question is, will penicillin work equally effectively on both gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria, or will it work better on one of the types? Now, there are a few things that we need to know before we can answer this question efficiently. So let's get to that. The first thing that we need to know are that the cell envelopes of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria are different from one another. So I'm going to give you some examples. On the left here, we have a gram-negative cell envelope. So these cells are characterized by a thin cell wall that you can see in the middle in that blue. And above that, on the outer layer, there is the lipopolysaccharides layer. And this is a large, thick, protective layer around the bacteria. Whereas on the right-hand side, we have a gram-positive cell envelope. And these bacteria cell envelopes are characterized by a very thick cell wall. So they do not have that lipopolysaccharide layer. Next, what does penicillin do? So, penicillin inhibits cross-linking activity and prevents new cell wall formation. So, in normal people words, this basically means that penicillin breaks down the cell wall of the bacteria. Um, and so, this is really important in medicine because human cells don't have that really thick, hard cell wall. We only have the cell membranes. And so this is really helpful because penicillin will attack the bacteria and not our cells. And so when it attacks the cell wall and prevents new cell wall from forming, it kind of breaks down the bacteria. It's very efficient. Now, back to the question of whether penicillin works more effectively on gram-positive, gram-negative, or equally effective. And the answer is gram-positive. And the reason is because the gram-positive bacteria have that thicker cell wall, and the penicillin does a really good job at eating away at that wall. And then basically just gets inside of the bacteria and our immune system is able to disrupt it. Whereas the gram-negative bacteria has that really protective added LPS layer, the lipopolysaccharides layer. And so penicillin doesn't do very well to get inside that layer. Anywho, these are my citations. Thank you so much for listening.